Okay guys, so here is some of the timber we're going to be using for our mallet making project. We got some white maple here, some New Zealand Remu with a beautiful grain pattern, some more Remu reclaimed from an old table, some black walnut which has got a real nice feature here. You see the sapwood and the heartwood creating a bit of contrast. What else we got? We got some American white oak, a few different sizes. These are leftovers from a building project. Some purple heart, some more purple heart, and some mahogany, I think. So there you go. So here we've got the simple plan we're going to follow for making our mallet. For my one, I'm going to use mahogany, purple heart, mahogany. I'm going to try and create opposites to give contrast everywhere throughout the mallet. So mahogany, purple heart, mahogany. And then if we look at this, it's going to be purple heart, mahogany handle, and purple heart again with two purple heart wedges through the middle. So here we got our purple heart and our mahogany. Now all we got to do is run into the thickness there to make sure they're both the same size. So our next step is cutting all our pieces to length. So here we got all our parts cut to size, ready for our first dry assembly. And our next step is to cut the shoulders for our handles. So next step is cutting our slots for which our wedges are going to slide into. Like this. Next up is our wedges, which we're going to cut using the drop saw. Now once the glue is dried, we can pop these clamps off. And the next step is going to be putting a bevel on our handle and drilling the hole. Next up with the handles, we're going to put this 45-degree chamfer along the edges, and it just gives the handle a nicer grip. Next we're going to put a 45-degree chamfer on all the edges of our mallet head. Now we're going to start gluing up our mallet and joining the handle to the head. Put our wedges in like so. We're also going to design a logo to go on one side of the head of the mallet. This one is a Wakatipu Woodcraft Guild logo, and on the other side of the mallet we can put something like your name or something personal to you.